it's Tony, the Senior Designer at Bespoke Carpentry London. Have you got these empty spaces beside your chimney breast and not sure what to do? Here are 10 ideas. 1. Alcove cabinetry with shelving unit. 2. Cabinetry with floating shelves. 3. Floor to ceiling bookcases. 4. Wardrobes. 5. Home office desks or hidden pull-out desks. 6. TV units. 7. Bench seat with storage. 8. Bar unit. 9. Doggy home. 10. Mix and match. Whatever you need, we can help you with this.